Hello, fan light enthusiast. Braxton the Vintage Fan Light Guy here. So what we got here today is another versus video, which I haven't done one of these in a little while now. So the versus what I'm going to be versing is the Casablanca Vic, right there, and the Gulf Coast Renaissance. Those are the fans that are going to be versing each other. The Vic is 6 speeds, and the Renaissance is obviously 3 speeds, which I hope to change on the Renaissance at some point and make it do something different with it. But as of right now, I'm just gonna leave them the way they are. So yeah, I'll give you guys a heads up. The Renaissance has acquired a buzzing noise for some reason. Like it's like a bad spot in the motor. Like it just acquired for some reason, and yeah, I don't know where it came from. Might have came from that variable speed I tested on my rig, and wonder why that happened. So here's low speed. Let's turn on that Vic. Speed 1. Wait until both of them get the speed. As you may notice, the Renaissance is in the 4-blade configuration right now because I want to make them both accurate. So yeah. The Vic is IntelliTouch. Meanwhile, the Renaissance has a capacitor pull chain, is what I call it, which I think is different. So the Vic is from 1982, and the Renaissance is from 1999, I think. I don't remember the year on that, but they both look very similar. So yeah, they really look similar. All right, medium. Let's get this on medium as well, which is speed 4. That's going to be its medium. Vic's wobbling a little bit. So is the Renaissance. The Vic is more noticeable than the Renaissance is. Both going about the same speed. See how the air movement is. Renaissance is pretty good. Vic is okay. It's probably because it has replacement irons. So, oh yeah, and I forgot to mention on the Vic, I replaced those irons. There's a reason for that. Is because I discovered something unique, which I'll show in its own video at some point with the irons. You guys are gonna probably be surprised and shocked when I show the discovery that I came across. So, but as of right now, that's not gonna be revealed as of yet. All right, now full power. Go. Test. Let's see which one goes the fastest. Looks like the Vic's going faster. They're both at the full power now. Renaissance is good on airflow. Vic is not as good on airflow, but then again, it has replacement irons, so That would make sense actually, for it to not be accurate. Alright, now spin down. You spin down now. Yeah, and what's weird about the Renaissance on the pull chain is it's a capacitor based pull chain, which I was like, that's different when I first got the thing. So, which is really different. They both look very similar though. So, yeah. Even though the Renaissance is newer and the Vic is Renaissance is 4 or 5 blades and the Vic is 4 blades only. So I got an early Vic. I think that's from '82 if I remember correctly. Looks like it's gonna stop before the Renaissance. Sorry about the huge blur. It's just the way my camera is for some reason. Just does that a lot. We will also do 0 to high, so, which I gotta turn off. Well, since the IT is W85, I don't know if I'm gonna get a better accurate startup. So, we'll see whenever we turn on the power. So, put them on high and then turn them off. That's the way I'm gonna do it. Yeah, the Vic stopped. Renaissance is still going. And again, the Renaissance is the one that's closest to the camera. So, yeah. Ignore what's going on upstairs. Wow, the Renaissance has a decent spin down. Right as I say that, it stops. Get these on full power. Shine that fluorescent light in the laundry area. Alright, you guys can see both of them. Alright. Whoa! Huh. Castle quality there. Gets up to speed quicker. Well, that's all I pretty much got for today, actually. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, have a great day, folks, and peace.